guys, my name is Callista. Today I'm making a marshmallow edible slime. And sorry I haven't made a video yet. I ran out of ideas, so thank you for watching this video. So here's what we need. 1.5 cups of marshmallow, which is 12 big marshmallows. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of corn starch. And a mixing tool. So first we're going to put the marshmallows in the bowl, which is going to be so easy. Get in there. Wow, just comes in a big chunk. A big chunk.
What did we do with our marshmallows? Because we were using big ones.
We cut them up into little marshmallows. And then put the coconut oil in. Now get in there, coconut oil. You at the side. Yeah, done. So now we're gonna stir it, microwave it for 20 seconds.
Yeah, but how many seconds at a time?
10.
Okay.
So 20.
So do it for 10. Close it.
So 10, then close it, and then
I'm gonna check it and stir it.
I think it's done.
All right, let's go get that cornstarch in.
And now put in the cornstarch.
And we need 1 tablespoon.
So time to put.
I'm gonna do it quickly. Okay, just put in half of that.
All of it?
Put in half. And then stir. Put in half of it and stir. Okay, now stir it up. Stop and stir it up. See how stretchy it is.
I think a little more to me.
Think we need a little more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa! Okay, I got lots of them.
Mm-hmm.
This is so cool. Wait, can
Probably
we
use
give
your
it color?
hands. What do you think? Is that good, or do you think we need more?
Oh
is
my
it
gosh,
really
it's
slimy and sticky?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, it's a little more wet.
A little more?
To me. I'm gonna mix it. It's my hands. I think it's done.
Yeah?
Pretty stretchy.
Cool. All right, 1 second.
So we're gonna add some sprinkles. Wow. I think I need a little more sprinkles. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, that's lots. You gave me lots of sprinkles.
So what do you think about this slime?
Pretty good. It's a lot stickier.
It's very sticky.
Yeah.
Well, you told them it was edible.
So we can eat it.
You gonna try some?
I like it. Bye guys, I'm staying here.